welcome. That's probably that.
What is going on, guys? So I'm called out for an urgent call for a flat tire up on the interstate. It is a it is a 2023 Nissan Sentra, and when this traffic clears up and everything, I'm gonna get through it. Lights changing, so I don't have to activate my lights and get through. But anyways, it is a rental vehicle, so we're gonna get to this customer as soon as possible and see what we got. Alright, so I am here. How's it going? Gotta love it when you have a flat tire, right? I know Hertz is gonna ask for this vehicle and get you a replacement, because you got a long drive, right?
No, I've got like 80 miles. They said they're gonna do the in the back.
Yeah. Right. Can I get a signature real quick?
I got for sure.
I think you're pressing every button but the trunk. Where's that button? There it is. There we go. Should be that button right there. Yeah. Let me get my gloves on. Bring this with me. I'm going to test the tire pressure in that thing. Ow. Yeah, it's low. I'm gonna have to fill it up. That right there. Oh, there it is. Right there. There it is, hole right there.
Yeah, that's patchable on.
Yeah, it's patchable, but Hertz doesn't want us to repair it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, any kind of rental companies, they don't want technicians to sit there, repair it, and send you on your way. They want to physically look at it and document it. Yeah. It's gonna feel weird riding on one of these. Up to around 500 miles, so you should be able to make it. You just got to drive careful. I don't know. No, it doesn't. Yeah, rental companies, they don't put wheel locks on there. The what?
Is this your company like that you started yourself?
Yeah, I started my own company, and I started contracting out with multiple different companies. And one of the companies actually is contracted out to rental companies as well.
How do you go about getting a contract?
You just gotta have a business license, auto liability, all sorts of stuff. It's like about $800-900 a month to actually have that, and then you gotta sit there and contract with other companies. It's a big headache and everything, but it's doable. Alright. Let me get myself packed up, need some information and some pictures, and then one more signature and you're good to go. Get some more pictures. one more signature. Alright, and all I need, mileage. There it is, 5204.
Oh, no, that's the
That's trip.
Yeah.
That one down there. Down at the bottom left.
You sure?
Yeah, I mean it says miles.
Oh, okay.
4.7. Yeah. And you should be good to go. Yep, you're good to go. Yep. You're welcome. Drive safe. Alright, so I got him back up on the road. I love dealing with rental vehicles. And as always, thank you guys for watching. God bless.